welcome back to another Sunday video. My name is Jamie with LadyMeraki Designs, and this week we're going to be making some lip gloss. So everything I use in this video, I will link it down below, as well as all my measurements will pop up on the bottom of the screen. I always like to start in very small batches just to get a sense of what my customers like. I always try to throw new colors at them, as you'll see from this week. So if I start in small batches, I can see what my customers like, and if they want more, I can always make more. And the best part about making a YouTube video about it is I know exactly how I made it. Alright, so let's just get started.
So the formulas that I use work for me. I like a certain consistency, and you as a lip gloss maker of course like your own consistency. So I feel like this is a good starting point because it's not too runny and it's not too thick. If it is too thick for your liking, you can always add more oils. And of course, if you like a thicker consistency, you can always add more Versagel. Alright, so I just wanted to jump on here really quickly and let you guys know the importance of having two bowls. So of course one bowl for the Versagel, and then the other bowl to be able to mix your oils and your pigments. So when using powdered pigments, if you would have just dumped it all into the old bowl, which to be honest as a newbie I used to do, but I've learned that if you have it in two different bowls, you can get all the clumps out. Like whenever you put it in the Versagel, it's really hard to get it clump free. I also wanted to go over what I did for this last gloss. As you can see, I decided to use a liquid pigment, and so I would just use that in combination with my oils. So I've been using the 1.5 ounce Versagel and then the 1.5 teaspoons of oils. So I would just combine that pigment in with the oils, and then I added just like a little bit of extra powdered pigment on the side. It was probably like less than an eighth of a teaspoon. So yeah, I knew that was going to be pretty confusing if I decided just to write it all out. I hope that was easy to understand. If you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments and I will get back to you. So once we're done with the filling process, I make sure to give them a real good wash. And then I cut all of my labels on my Cricut. So if you want a tutorial for that, just let me know and I can get that together for you guys. So I don't know if you've noticed, but there is definitely one color gloss that I didn't go over in the video. I accidentally forgot to record, so I will have it listed at the bottom of how I mixed it up, but again, I did not record how I did it. And then I also wanted to show you guys that while I'm putting on the shrink wrap, there is definitely a top and a bottom. So if you are doing this, I would just make sure that you got the seam of the shrink wrap on the bottom, just so it doesn't interfere with your label. And then by far, this is one of my favorite parts, is watching the shrink wrap like just suction to the tube. It's just so satisfying to watch.
Alright babe, so that's the end of another week's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did and you want to see more of my face, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It's my first time doing a vertical video, so let me know how you like it. I like to switch it up sometimes. Let me know how you feel about it down in the comments, if you rather the vertical or the horizontal. And alright babe, so that's the end, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next Sunday. Bye!